Jowl Bacon. Or as they say, what is smoked pork jowl bacon. So this is actually from the jaw of the pig. This actually looks better right there. So, serve it up for breakfast. You just want to cut this hard rind off of it. Like so. Alright. And then what you do is you slice. So you don't want them too thick. So about 1/4 inch slices. And you can fry these up much like you would bacon. Alright. So I'm going to show you a couple of them. I'll show about 3 pieces. And how you would cook that up. And then this is going to go in the freezer for the next time we cook something that needs pork. Just like you would bacon, but you want to cook it a little slower because they are a little thicker than bacon. So I have it on medium high. Alright, I'm going to move it to medium low now. Alright, so they're done now. You see they shrank quite a bit, but they're done. I'm going to go ahead and move them off the stove. Let them cool a bit before I start dealing with them. We'll move them in better lighting so you can see. How's it smell, Lucas?
Good.
Smells like bacon, right?
Mm-hmm.
So here they are. You can see they're nice and brown, beautiful. They look good, Lucas?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to take one and I'm going to have Lucas try it and I'm going to take a little bite. I haven't had these in, I don't know, like since I was a teenager maybe. So let me get a fork and knife and cut one for us, okay? Alright, they are really chewy. So Lucas, you had some questions about this?
Is it the same thing as what I tried?
As the cracklings?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually similar part. The cracklings come from all over the pig, whereas the Jowl bacon only comes from the jaw of the pig. Alright, you ready, Lucas? Alright, let's bend down so they can see our faces. Hello. Alright, which piece you want?
This one.
Okay, I'll take this one. It's chewy, huh?
Mm-hmm. You don't eat that black part, right?
Yeah, you can eat that.
It's good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I cut the outer rind off so you don't have that hard piece.
Cool. Really good.
Mm-hmm. So I have plans for these two. I'm going to make something that Lucas has never tried before.